hello everyone. So welcome to another video here in Work Life Tips with Lala. So pasensya na po, I've chosen color pop outro type of video kasi medyo yun na nga magulo talaga dito sa kwarto namin. Okay. So, well, in this video, I will introduce you to one of the online side hustles I know. So, anyway, this is not sponsored, but just to say or let you know that this is also one of my side hustles even up to now. So, ito ay pwede nyo po gawin kahit nag-full-time job or meron kayong full-time job after your work or even only you wanna work or do it during weekends. Pwedeng-pwede po ito. Anytime kasi 24/7 may students po at anywhere. So the teaching time here is not fixed. So yun po ang kagandahan talaga niya, which is isang bagay kung kaya't ko siya nagustuhan. And kung kailan ka lang talaga available, this is really, really good. Pwede siya as long as you are prepared to teach, tahimik po yung iyong background or yung paligid mo, at you have at least within 2 months, okay? So even if di ka masyado nagtuturo katulad ko ngayon, kasi medyo busy na rin ako sa ibang mga gawain. So you could, your account is still there within I think 3 months, 2 or 3 months. So, you really at least have to have your classes at least once. So, pero syempre, pag gusto mo talaga siyang karirin, then go. Okay? So, to enumerate further of the things na kagandahan nitong online platform po na ito, opportunity, is first, as long as you have your laptop, you have your headset, you have the internet connection, wired man yan or data, pwedeng-pwede po siya. You have a good understanding of English language, lalo na, and you really can converse. And the third one for me is plus factor na lang din po siguro if you have your TEFL or the teaching English as a foreign language certificate, which is makukuha nyo naman yun online for free. Maraming mga tayong mga sites dyan. So, siguro in time, i-walk through ko rin kayo. But I believe hindi na nila hinihingi ngayon if you have your certificate. Okay. And number four for me is, of course, you have that confidence. Number five, you really have that passion to teach. So, kung okay ka sa lahat ng nabanggit ko, tara na, let's start. So, okay, before I will walk you through the site and the hiring process, I will start first by letting you know what is Ingo. So, before, they are formerly called the Bibo Global Opportunities. So, sa lahat ng mga nakakaalam dyan at nakapagtrabaho during that time when it's still called Bibo Global Opportunities. And I think it was year 2019 that they have changed their name to Ingo. Okay, so Ingo offers a private online English lessons to students, and they connect to tutors from all over the world. Both the students and the tutors can take classes anywhere, anytime, and from any device, such as computer, laptop, smartphone, or tablet, as long as you can log in into your account and have a stable internet connection. So again, sabi ko nga, you can work anytime, anywhere. Basta meron kang internet connection, kahit sa phone mo, basta malakas yung data mo, tablet, laptop, or PC. And then, Ingo is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So, kaya nga anytime, anywhere sa loob ng 7 araw, sa loob ng isang linggo. So, this platform is really available. So, kapag tutor ka dito, anytime na gusto mong magturo, pwedeng-pwede. Okay? But, except for some special holidays and during maintenance, kasi may mga maintenance din sila sometimes. Pero so far naman, yung mga scheduled maintenance nila will be announced naman in advance so that there is minimal impact on your lessons. Okay? So again, this is a private tutoring. So this is one-on-one. So if for those na nag-expect na grupo yung tuturuan ninyo, so this is one-on-one. May it be a kid, one-on-one kayo nung bata, or an adult. So dito po pala, you can teach kids to professionals. Okay, so walang pinipili si Ingo for as long as the student is really hoping to elevate his English skills, especially the conversational skills. And then ito, this is something na ako pinaka-favorite ko being an English tutor here in Ingo is yung supported environments nila because Ingo has their very own video lesson platform. So, hindi mo na po kailangan na mag-download ng any third-party software like ikaw pa yung parang gagawa ng lesson mo for the students because meron na dito sa Ingo, nandito na lahat. So, ang gagawin na lang ng students mo is pipili ng materials kung ano yung gusto nila during your lesson. So, wala ka ng kapagod-pagod. This is actually, for me, I'm so happy and I feel so blessed because this is the first online side hustle na talagang nahasa ako before I now become a virtual assistant. But still, again and again, sabi ko nga sa inyo at first na until now, I am still working here in Ingo pero paminsan-minsan na lang. Pero syempre, I don't want to let go of this very beautiful platform or this very nice opportunities for everyone na naghahanap ng side hustle. Kasi ako sa ngayon, kapag hindi ako masyado busy at ganado akong magturo, so agad-agad akong nag-open. And seconds lang, may magbubook na agad sa'yo. Okay? So anyway, this one kasi, they really want to make sure muna naman siyempre na yung device mo is compatible sa system nila. So, you're gonna be having a test kapag talagang accepted na kayo as one of their tutors. And ito, I know maraming magtatanong, so for how long is each lessons? So here in Ingo, the lessons are 25 minutes long. So, talagang napakaiksi lang niya and then again, hindi mo na kailangan gumawa ng sarili mong lesson because ready na yung mga lessons dito. Pero syempre, before ka mag-plunge in dun sa iyong class with the student, kapag may nag-book na sa'yo, dapat naman aralin mo rin muna siya. Okay? So, next, I will have to walk you through to the site para talagang makita ninyo kung ano talaga yung mga sinasabi ko. Let's do it and let's go to the next one. Okay, so we're now here on Ingo website. So you just have to go to ingo.com/app/teach. So don't worry, I will put the description or the link in our description below. Okay, so in here in Ingo, as you can see, they have teachers or tutors in more than 70 countries worldwide. And this is very good news and very, kumbaga, privilege for us Filipinos kasi kasama ang Philippines. As you know naman, um, Filipinos are being recognized to be a good English speakers. So, napaka applauding nun sa part natin. And yeah, we could use it as our side hustle to earn additional income. So, let's talk about the benefits. So, lagi nga nang sinasabi ko, here in Ingo, you have that flexible schedule. So, you can decide your own work hours. You can work as much or as little as you want. Pwede nga ito, again, if you are having a full-time on-site office. So, pwede mo itong gawin pag uwi mo sa bahay or if you want during weekends, kung hindi ka naman masyado busy during Saturdays and Sundays. So, mas maganda to para mas makapagdagdag ka, maka-generate ka ng additional income. So again, since this is a work from home, you could really avoid the traffic and long commutes, and you can get to enjoy the comfort of your home, of course. And then ito, number three, pinaka-paborito ko is stress-free teaching. So Ingo, they provide the lesson plans. So talagang dito, nandito na yung naka-incorporate na sa platform nila yung mga lesson materials. So you don't have to worry about creating that on your own kasi meron na dito, which is I will show you later. Okay? And then another one is they have the 24-hour support staff. So they have what they call the tutor support. So pwede kang makipag-usap sa mga tutor support nila dito, especially when you encounter issues on their website during your classes, or let's say for example magka-cancel ka ng mga lessons or you have that issues with your student. Pwede rin yun, you can get to talk to them. So yung mga tutor support naman nila dito is mostly din mga Filipinos, minsan may mga foreign. So I think if you are a tutor in the Philippines, they would provide you the tutor support ng mga Filipinos lang din naman. Okay. And then of course, you could get to connect with the world. So in here you've got to meet the students from different cultures. On my case, as in lagi kong student is from Japan. So they are Japanese. So sobrang polite, sobrang babait nila. And I also have the Chinese, Taiwanese, Singaporean, Thailander. Meron din akong a few from Brazil, mga Brazilians, and I have some other students in Australia and also in Baga, Russian siya. But then he just wanted to learn English using Ingo platform. Okay, so marami kang magiging friends, marami kang matututunan mo din yung mga iba-ibang culture nila. So napakasayang magturo dito. Okay? And then let's go to the application process. So first you have to register yourself. You have to create an account and register your basic personal information such as your name and nationality. And then number two, the English and internet connection test. So syempre, we are hoping to become an English tutor. So dapat talagang medyo okay yung English speaking natin, okay? So, aside from that, they would check your browser in and internet connection kung compatible ba dun sa system nila. They would just have that quick test. So, when you say connection, based on my experience kasi, hindi naman ganun ka taas yung hinahanap nila. Actually, sa totoo lang, I started yung laptop ko kakarag-karag lang. That was year 2019 during the COVID-19 pandemic. Minsan tas yung connection ko that time wala pa kaming wired connection, so I just used the phone phone data. So yun, kalain mo natanggap ako having that kakarag-karag na laptop second hand, and then yung connection ko is hindi pa wired, so they have accepted my application. So hindi gano'n ka-strict yung ano nila, basta nakaka-connect ka, yun ang pinakamahalaga. And also, the automated English test. So, I remember during my time, there are three sets of questions, random questions they would send you. And then from the questions, sasagutin mo lang naman according to what you know. So, ang ano lang kasi doon, they are looking if how you engage yourself. Kumbaga, isa siyang essay. Kumbaga sa school, you have that essay questions, essay exam. So, kapag nasagot mo ng maayos at tama and the way you deliver the answers, I guess pasok ka naman doon. Okay? And yeah, yun din, before I forgot, dapat kasi yung clarity. So dito, hindi naman talaga sinasabi na kinakailangan mong magkaroon ng mga matitinding accent, no? Kasi syempre nga, ang mga students natin dito, magiging students niyo in the future is, gusto nga nilang matuto mag-English. So hindi sila marunong magsalita. They are also having that difficulty in understanding yung mga naririnig nila. So, importante na yung pag english natin is very clear. Yun po ang mas mahalaga doon. So, yun ibang ang mga may sobrang hard accent. I guess medyo hirap yung mga students na intindihin sila. Kaya Ang alam ko nga eh, mostly they prefer Filipino tutors. Okay? And then the third one, after you finish the internet connection and English quick automated test, they would provide you with the training materials. So you just have to wait a while to be conducted by the tutor recruitment team. So they will send you the link. Kumbaga nandun yung mga guided training materials. So all you have to do is to just go over and study. And then, let's say kung meron ka naman talaga ring mga experiences, yung mga one-on-one tutorials sa students mo, sa neighbor mo, sa pamangkin mo, sa anak mo. So, madali mo na lang siyang magagamay. Okay? And then after that, when you're ready, so you could have you should complete the training with a demo lesson. So you can join the training sessions with your team, and then you can conduct a demo lesson just to show that you have understood the training materials. So dito sa training materials siguro, I would let you see or sneak peek, kung baga, kung ano yung mga training materials na meron dito sa Ingo. Okay? Para lang kapag nandun na kayo dito sa number 3, pag pinadalhan kayo ng training materials, meron kayong parang kumbaga guide o kung ano yung mga lesson materials. And then, syempre, if you're already set and if you have completed the training and with the demo lesson, they would send you a congratulatory message saying that they are happy that you are one of their tutors. So you could start to teach, you could set your availability on your tutor's site, and all you have to do is just to wait for your student to start booking your lessons. In my case nga, kahit hindi na ako masyado nagtuturo dito, let's say I plot my schedule, let's say around 9:30 in the morning. So, tapos plinat ko siya ng 10 kasi every 25 minutes eh. So let's say nag-plot ako ng para sa 10 a.m. around 9:55. So mga 9:57 makikita mo na meron nang nag-book sa'yo ng lesson. So ganun siya kabilis kasi sobrang dami ng students dito, and pero syempre kailangan mo ring galingan kasi sobrang dami rin ng tutors. Okay? And then, let's go to the requirements. So, you have to be at least 18 years of age, proficient in English. So, for as long as you can speak well with the clarity, you could engage with your students, and you understand the lesson materials at alam mong kaya mong magturo sa kanila ng English. Especially po pala vocabulary. Sa experience ko, yung mga students ko is talagang they need to get to know a lot of vocabulary. So, kailangan mo silang turuan sa mga ganong bagay. And I think we Filipinos are very good on that. And then, the headset and your webcam, laptop or desktop, and of course, this one, the high-speed internet connection. Again and again, hindi naman siguro sobrang mataas kailangan yung ano ng internet mo, but for as long as you can connect, okay? So yeah, after this, let's go to the next one. And yeah, another information is that Ingo is the choice of more than 100 businesses worldwide. So you can see from here. So yung iba sigurong mga companies dito sa inyo is familiar like DHL, Goodyear, itong Standard Charter, Columbia Brothers, so UNICEF, ACES, so ayan. So talagang makikita mo from here pa lang is talagang si Ingo, kasi meron din kasi silang what they call ito, corporate one. So meron po kasing mga companies worldwide na ang alam ko, some of my students is talagang binigyan sila ng opportunity ng company nila na mag-aral ng English because their company knows na yung pag-speak ng English is very important to their company. So, meron silang mga employees nila, yung mismong company nila ang nag-e-enroll sa kanila dito sa Ingo. So, like, for example, I have one student, a regular student before. He is working in Koyogawa. So dito, Koyogawa is the one who is paying for their lessons here. So parang isa to sa mga incentives nila. So ang mga students, ang mga employees nila kapag gusto nilang matuto ng English pag uwi nila sa bahay or minsan binibigyan sila ng time ng employers nila to book online. So magpapaalam lang sila. So actually yun yung isa dun sa kwento ng isa dun sa mga student ko. So ayan. So talagang masasabi mong napaka-legit at napakaganda na maging tutor dito sa Ingo. Okay, so like I've told you earlier that I would let you see some of the lesson materials that Ingo has to offer. So para at least kapag natanggap na kayo sa kanila dito sa Ingo or nandun ka pa lang sa stage na magde-demo ka pa lang sa kanila. So I just have to show you some of the lessons that they have in here. So we have the levels, the beginners, intermediate, and the advanced proficient. So normally kahit naman hindi bata yung tuturuan mo, they also considered as beginner or they 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 are really saying na beginner pa lang ako dito sa English na to kahit pa sabihin mong adult na sila. Baguhan pa lang sila sa pag-aaral ng English. And then yung iba naman if they feel na medyo okay na sila, so they would categorize themselves as intermediate students. And some of them, yung mga magagaling na, nandun na siya sila sa advanced and proficient. Okay, so these are the levels. And then ito na. So these are the materials. So mostly ang pinaka-popular material here in Ingo is what they call the daily news. So there are new lessons that is added every day based on the current events. So ako naman as a tutor here in Ingo, talagang natutuwa rin ako na merong ganitong lesson materials kasi it's not only the students that would learn. Ikaw rin as a tutor or a teacher, na natututo ka rin kasi talaga everyday, ina-update nila yung kanilang daily news material para malaman ng each students and the teachers kung ano yung mga bagong balita worldwide. So, dito din ako nakakakuha ng mga bagong information before, lalo na kaya napakasarap po talaga guys na maging tutor dito sa Ingo. And most of the students talaga, they prefer the daily news aside from the fact na natututo silang mag-English, natuturuan mo sila. In here kasi, ang style ko, you have to let them read the paragraph or you want, if you want, you could ask them if they wanted you to read first before they read after you, or some of the students would just like to read uh, the lesson by themselves aloud, and then they would you just have to provide them the feedback if their pronunciation or kung ano yung mga understanding nila dun sa lesson. So, kasi meron ding mga questions later on that they would answer. So, dun mo makikita if how the student understands what they are reading. Kasi, 'di ba, it's not that you know how to speak English. And next na very important din is you should also understand what you are reading. Okay? So, very basic naman po 'yun, 'di ba? So, this is one of the materials talaga na very popular. And then they have this conversation wherein the students can improve the communication skills and the conversations. So parang ito, sa napapansin ko, mostly ang pumipili nito is yung makikita nyo naman dito is the beginner. So, mas prefer nila yung merong sentence, sentence by sentence, kumbaga, a dialogue. Yun ang mas prefer ng mga beginners sa mga napapansin ko. Okay, so when you say intermediate, mostly expected mo dito is mga professionals na po sila. Beginners, minsan pansin ko yung mga lolo, lola, mga mommies, daddies, or even syempre mga kids. And then they also have here the travel and culture business. So they also have this material for business kasi meron din kasi dito na mga students, sabi ko nga, yung iba professional na, yung iba talaga may mga malalaking negosyo na, but still, they wanted to learn English more. So, yung mga useful vocabularies na gusto nilang matutunan and expressions is nandito sa lesson materials na to. So, mapapansin nyo, yung leveling ng students dito are mostly intermediate and advanced. So, we have describing pictures. So, wala kang ibang makikitang wordings dito sa material na to, but just a picture. So, all you have to do is to let the students describe the picture according to what they see. And then, based from the sentences or kung ano man yung paragraph na sasabihin nila, you would give feedbacks from there. Okay, so they have also the health and well-being, English for young learners, discussion. So you'll gonna be reading them and discussing with them some of the interesting stories and topics. Okay, and then the IELTS speaking test, mostly for the intermediate and advanced, the grammar, vocabulary. So, gaya ng sabi ko, most of the students din, hindi lang bata, may mga advanced din na gusto nila madagdagan pa yung vocabularies nila. So, they want to learn some idioms, phrasal verbs, and other vocabularies talaga that they need, especially sa work nila. And then ito, the pronunciation. Some of the students here, they could understand, they could comprehend, they could converse, but they wanted to have that good or improve their pronunciation. So parang yung dito, yung pinipili talaga nila is mostly yung mga native speakers. Okay? And then, yeah, we have here the conversation topics. Actually, ito po guys, ang pinaka-favorite ko. So, this is wherein the students get to practice having the conversations about various questions and topics. So, dito, wala kang talagang lesson materials. So, expect mo na wala. Parang mag-uusap lang kayo. You just have to talk whatever you wanted to talk about under the sun. So, parang dito, actually, nagtataka nga ako eh. Most of my students recently are choosing conversation topics with me. Dito tatanungin mo lang sila, "Oh, student, what are the things or the topics that you want us to discuss for today?" So, syempre sasagot nila kung ano yung gusto mong topic kasi dito siguro kung medyo madaldal ka, mahilig kang magsalita ng walang script, parang you just let go. You just let yourself be, no? So, mostly din naman yung students dito na pinipili yung ganitong material is talagang gusto lang nilang ma-practice yung English nila. Gusto nila sigurong makita na, kaya ko na bang makipag-usap ng English without yung mga script talaga or the lessons itself. And then, ito, sa mga proficient, we have here the world literature, the speaking test, of course, and they have the TOEIC speaking actual test. Meron ding decoding. So, this is for more of the advanced students. And then ito, reading art, math, and the people, elementary reading series. Ito, matutuwa dito mostly if you are already a teacher sa schools dito sa Philippines. So, alam ko mag enjoy kayo and you could help your students improve their English na merong touch of fun online and may mga interesting facts pa. Okay? So, kung ako tatanungin niyo so far, most of the lesson materials dito ay na-encounter ko na pinili ng students ko. Siguro ang hindi ko lang na-encounter pa is this decoding and I have one TOEIC speaking actual test, but only one for magpo 4 years na. Kasi dito rin po pala, Ingo will provide you with your badge. So you get to choose what students are you gonna be teaching. So let's say at what group age. So gusto mo ba bata? Bata lang? Gusto mo ba adults, adults lang, or kung gusto mo ba both. Ako kasi I started with kids and then later on realize ko, parang mas okay yung adults kasi I don't really get to prepare a lot of things kasi pag mga kids, kinakailangan mo pang meron ka pa ring magandang ibang mga, kailangan mo pa ng puppets, kailangan mo pa ng ibang mga visual aids, ganun sa pagbata ang tinuturuan mo online. Kumbaga 'pag sa bata dito, although may lesson material, but minsan hindi sapat na yung lesson material lang itself kasi minsan kailangan mong aluin yung bata, eh. You really have to let the kid or the child go back to the lesson especially na hindi kayo face to face, 'di ba? So hindi mo siya pwedeng hawakan. So meron ka ring dapat ibang mga paraphernalias na ipapakita para mabalik yung attention niya sa iyo while you are working or while you are teaching online. Okay? So yun. So this is the materials. So ito magiging ito yung materials na kakaharapin ninyo when you're already hired as a tutor here in Ingo, or kapag nandun ka sa stage na pinagde-demo ka na nila. Okay? So let's go to the next one. Just want to show you kung ano yung mga makikita ng students on their side. So, syempre, when the students is trying to book a lesson here in Ingo, mamimili sila kung sino yung mga tutors. So, they have this page wherein they could meet the tutors and they could select. So, dito makikita natin, as you can see here, ang pinaka may on the first page rather, makikita natin yung lahat ng mga may 5-star rating. So if we're gonna be scrolling down below, ayan. So dito up to 99 pages I guess and more. So yung meron din iba dito naka 4.99. So let's go back on the top. Okay. So dito si Chris, he's from Romania. He has already conducted 18,226 lessons here in Ingo and currently has a rate of 5-star. So maraming nakaka 5-star pero I guess kung sino yung pinakahuling tutors as of the moment, while I'm doing this video recording, siguro si Chris ang merong pinaka-latest na merong 5-star na tutor dito sa Ingo. And then, we could also see some of the native speakers or tutors. Ayan, makikita mo naman that the students would see that may native na nakalagay. So this Colin is from UK, Celine J is from UK as well. And yeah, we also have our very own Rio V from the Philippines. So si Rio, guys, so she also has 5-star rating, and Rio already conducted 5,429 classes here in Ingo. Wow. Galing-galing ni Rio. So, yan. Makikita nyo rin that there's a play button here. So, the students will simply just have to click to see if they wanted this tutor. So talagang kapag na-hire ka na dito as a tutor, the team would ask you to prepare or create less than 1 minute video kasi parang kumbaga you have to sell yourself to the students. Dito makikita yung imo-market mo yung sarili mo para malaman ng mga students kung sino yung tutor na fit para sa kanila. Kaya na kailangan mong galingan o gandahan according dun sa kung paano mo gustong i-deliver yung pagtuturo mo sa mga students mo dito. Okay? And then, if the students would also hover their mouse, they could also see how reliable the tutor is. So, dito makikita, like with Rio has a 1% cancellation rate of lessons. And she has 80 classes per month. Okay? So, dito din minsan yung ibang students nagbe-base kung, oh, ito, gusto ko bang i-try na mag-lesson dito sa teacher na to. Okay? So, dyan, makikita yan nila. So, then, okay. Meron din isang way ng mga students, like for example, gusto nila meron na silang specific na teacher or tutor na gusto. So, they will just simply have to type the name of the tutor. Let's say, for example, na-try na nila si Rio for the very first time and then super nagustuhan. So, the student would just simply have to type the name of the tutor here on the search box and then click search. So, lalabas na siya. Especially, let's say, for example, for me, I now have 4.96 lang na rating kasi medyo may isa kasing student na bata na siguro minsan kasi pag bata hindi sila marunong mag-rate. So medyo bumaba lang ako last 5 months ago. Nung huli kong, merong hindi magandang, rating na student, hindi naman super bad, pero siguro makaka-affect lang siya. Or minsan naman talaga hindi natin mapipili on how they would rate us. Okay, so kung hindi ka nila makita at gusto ka nila at ikaw yung sa tingin nilang fit na tutor para sa iyo, para sa kanila. So yung iba, ako, ang dami ko ng regular students, so I guess tina-type na lang nila yung pangalan ko dito at sine-search na lang nila. Yung parang mga gano'n, like this one. Pag sinearch, they would click search and they would just have to find kung sino-sino. Lalabas lahat kung sino yung may mga Lala na pangalan. Ayan, okay? So just to give you an example and or just to show you how the students is trying to look for tutors. Okay. So ngayon, siguro the next one, ibibigay or ipapakita ko sa inyo on how the students would see or example na rin kung let's say hinga na kayo ng demo video ng Ingo. So, let's try to watch Rio V. This one. Okay. Let's watch.
Okay, so now let's start to watch. By the way, ito po pala, so lahat ng mga uh, video ng mga tutors dito sa Ingo is they ask us a permission before we allow them to let our videos be seen on YouTube. So lahat ng mga videos dito ay nakalink naman sa YouTube, and I guess it's okay for me to share it with you as well. Okay, so now panoorin na natin si Rio sa YouTube diretso. Okay? So, put it here. Hi, this is Teacher Rio. Do you have difficult time learning English? No worries, because I am here to guide and help you all the way. Believe me when I say you can. So come and join me in my class as we explore the world of English together with fun and excitement. I'll be very pleased to have you. I hope to see you soon. Bye! Okay, so yan. So yan po ang isa sa mga nakikita natin dito sa Ingo when we try to look for tutors. Sa mga students natin rather, okay. So ayan, nakikita pa natin dito. Another one siguro if you still want more. Let's try to play April. Okay? Start. Hello everyone, I'm April from Manila, Philippines. I love teaching, and if you want to have fun learning in English, then come up with me, okay? I'll see you guys. Bye!
Nandito na tayo sa actual link or kung saan kayo pwedeng mag-apply na immediately if you're interested. So, just go to ingo.com/app/teach/apply. So, nandyan sa screen and ilalagay ko rin syempre sa description nitong video na to. So, first, again and again, you have to do a registration. So, once you're in here, so makita nyo tong application. So, all you have to do is to just put your country of residence, of course, Philippines, nationality, Philippines. And then, for example, where is the city that you're from? Let's say, for example, Baguio. And then your first name, middle name, last name. And of course, you have to fill in your email address. So fill it out on this field and then create your own password. Okay? Kasi, of course, this is very needed and always make your password secured. Okay? And then you have to prepare to upload official IDs po na may photo. Okay? So, for example, we have passport, driver's license, your UMID card, so any IDs that is showing your name and age for them to allow to verify your identity and nationality. Kasi they really need that to be able for them to check your eligibility and to confirm that you have not worked for them in the past. Okay? So once you're okay with your ID, scan nyo po and then upload it here. And then just tick this small box here to certify that you are over 18 years old. So, just click continue right then after that. Tapos, ma-redirect na kayo niyan to create your video test. So, siguro, tip ko sa inyo, after you register at nakita nyo na lahat yung mga kailangan on the registration part, so talagang nakaprepare na kayo dapat na sumalang sa isang video test. So during my time, last 2019, the video test is a random question na makikita mo, tapos dapat naka-open yung camera mo for them to see how you talk. And then, yun na nga, sa natatandaan ko, 2 to 3 questions, I guess, or two lang. And then, you have to just answer them truthfully. And then, dun lang naman nila makikita on kung paano ka siguro mag-justify o kala mo i-justify yung sarili mo based dun sa question. Kasi syempre as a teacher or as a tutor, 'di ba, may mga situations minsan na kapag yung student may tanong, so dun nila nakikita kung paano ka sumagot and kung paano mo naha-handle yung class mo. Okay. So it's not only yung pag-i-English natin, the way we talk, hindi lang doon. So kung paano ka rin talaga sumagupa ng mga talagang realistic and possible questions when you are in the class. Okay, and after your video test, kapag okay ka na doon, they would redirect you to the language tests. So dito naman, it's more on ano lang, vocabulary, grammar, multiple choices na exam. That was during my time. And I guess parang ganun pa rin naman as of this time, no? Kasi dun sa group chat namin, yun pa rin naman yung mga nakikita ko. And then, after that, after you finish the language test with them, you are all done. So, dun ka na, magwa-wait ka na if you are hired. Kung hindi naman, syempre sasabihin nila sa'yo, better luck next time. But yeah, I know Filipinos are very good in English and we are so confident and determined to succeed. We are hard workers. So I guess talagang isa ka. Ikaw na nanonood sa akin ngayon ay talagang I am very hopeful at naniniwala ko na with your determination and syempre with all our prayers, we could all have the job or the side hustle that we need. So again, this platform is not only for those people na gusto lang ng side hustle, but pwede nyo rin siyang gawing full-time ninyo. Kasi marami rin akong kakilala na ginagawa na nila ito full-time. And for the rate, siguro i-discuss na lang yun sa inyo ng recruitment team right after. And then, ito pa po pala, before I forgot, dito sa Ingo, kapag nakapag-conduct ka ng 100 lessons for one cut-off, so dito sa atin sa Philippines is, ang sahuran is 15.30 rin. Uh, Same with the other on-site offices dito sa atin. So 15.30 ang salary, you're gonna receive that on the 15th and 30th of the month. So yung cut-off hindi ko lang masyado matandaan. But yeah, in one cut-off, kapag meron kang 100 classes without cancellations, including no-shows, so inong students, you will get to receive 500 bonus. Okay? So dagdag yun dun sa ating income. So yes guys, hopefully this video tutorial is very helpful for you, and yeah, I would create another video for any other job sites na alam ko, and siguro even yung mga current ko ngayon na um, companies where I am working right now. So thank you so much for watching and see you next on my next videos. God bless everyone. Bye.